We're with Alex, Northeast Factory Direct. It has been 20 years, and I think people need to hear this. You have the most amazing story as to how you got started.
Yeah, it's crazy. Just thinking about it like it was yesterday when I started this business out of my garage in Lakewood with one dining room set, a cell phone, and a pickup truck. And I would have customers come to the house, I'd show them the set, and they were elated with the quality and the price, and then I'd deliver it and set it up in my pickup truck, and then I thought, boy, we're really onto something.
And when you started doing this, you have any idea it would turn into this?
No, I didn't. And you know, we've just kept the same concept. We just have bigger garages now, and
sure.
I'm just so proud of everybody here. I can't believe that it's come to this.
How do you compete with the fancy furniture stores?
So our rent is 1/10 of what it costs in the high rent retail areas down the street.
Right.
You know, I've just kept the same concept of the garage, one cell phone and a pickup truck.
Right.
Just keep it as the overhead as low as you can, and that way you can pass the savings on. I mean, there's so much fluff and stuff that people are paying for. Escalators, fancy showrooms. We don't have any of that.
Right, but you guys do have the same quality, which is amazing.
Yeah, we have all the same brands like Klausner, Bernhardt, Ashley. We even have high-end Amish furniture and custom furniture.
And the selection is unbelievable.
It's great, and our pricing's just less.
Alex, you have everything from furniture, but you also have kitchen cabinets and dining room sets. You've got it all.
Yeah, so about 10 years ago, we got into the kitchen cabinets, which is another thing just like furniture, which is marked up through the roof, and we thought, you know, we could do this. But not only are we doing it, our designers, we're doing it better than everybody else and saving people a ton of money.
Don't I know it? I'm one of your customers for those kitchen cabinets. South Side, East Side, West Side, NortheastFactoryDirect.com. What a great story.